Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your currency on Bitget Wallet's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your currency on Bitget Wallet, firstly go ahead and open your Bitget Wallet application. The homepage of Bitget Wallet application will appear on the screen. Click on the box icon at the top left corner of the page. From the displayed option, click on Currency. Choose your preferred currency and tap on it. This is how you can change your currency on Bitget Wallet's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.